Good morning, day 2. We are now walking to St. Mark's Basilica, or St. Mark's Square, because we have some things booked there. This is my outfit. We are on our way. Whoa, look how pretty. Okay, we just took a quick break to take some pictures. But there are so many, obviously there's so many canals and bridges. But yeah, it all looks so pretty. So this is St. Mark's Square. Wow. So we're inside the Basilica now.
Questa parte di capita, alle parti.
So we're in Basilica, St. Marco. It looks pretty, but it's really, really hot. So we need the fan. It's still really pretty. Like, they definitely know how to build their churches. Yeah. Architecture strong. I'm sure there's like more history, but we didn't pick a tour, so we have no idea. I'm pretty sure, wait, I thought it was the 12 disciples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There is 14. Oh wait, one of them looks like a woman, so maybe that's Mary. And then one of them could be, no, Jesus in the middle. Mary and Joseph? Oh no, there's 2 women, Mary and the other woman who discovered Jesus when he resurrected. Ah, look at that. Who needs a tour when you have my Sunday school knowledge? Look how cool. Hello, we're outside the St. Mark's Basilica. We're in like a shaded area. There's not as... There's a bell tower. Bell tower. Yeah. We're here. It's fun. It's really warm though for some reason. And then they have all like these white, like, I think they're building something obviously, but it's like right there in the way. But it's okay. It's okay because Lisa was here and so am I. Lisa, like, I tried to recreate Lisa's pic. We'll try again another time. But yeah, this is it. There we go. We've just, well, as I said, we were taking pictures outside. The thing is, they let us in way earlier before our like entrance time, so we were like, okay, maybe we can go to like the bell tower a lot earlier as well. But then they were like, no, come back in like 20 minutes. Well, he first said 10 minutes, and he was like, come back in 20 minutes. So I'm assuming we're just gonna have to go like closer to our actual time rather than really, really early. But that's all right. Yeah. So yeah, we took lots of pictures, just chilling. Yeah. Oh yeah, we took Polaroids. Ah, look. I don't know if you can see that, because I can't see. These sunglasses are too good. I really can't see the screens. If I look awful, the angle is not it, then I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, we're just walking around in the shaded area. There's like loads of random little shops and cafes and restaurants all around the square. So we're just walking up and down it, also trying to get out of the sun. So yeah. We are in a Hard Rock cafe. My mom wants to buy this. But extra small. This small I do not want to get one. Venice.
Tam nowy jest. You can see, obviously, this whole like panoramic view. Very pretty. Hello. Well, okay, so just finished walking the, can you see it? Oh, the bell tower. We're now making our way to another place. I don't know what it is called in English, but it's some like kind of bookshop on the water or something. Yeah. I mean, we'll be back here anyway because we're going next door tomorrow. So yeah, let's go. quanto è questo? Uno? Due.
We just finished going to that like bookshop on the water, whatever it is in the English. I'd rate it kind of bad just because they didn't even let us take pictures. They were like, "Oh, don't stop, just keep walking," which makes sense, but it wasn't like we were the only ones. Like loads of other people were stopping and taking pictures, but then they kept telling us to walk, because the line is too big, and I'm just like, well, yeah. And then I was like, and then I wanted to go back round to like look at the tote bags to buy. Wasn't even able to. It was like, no, you just have to keep going, and like keep going towards the exit. So didn't get to buy anything. So sad. But yeah, now we're just walking around. Hopefully gonna find some place to eat. Fresh pasta. Good. We're here at a pasta to-go shop. It's pretty good. Just hungry and tired, honestly. Sorry, there's like loads of these pictures. I think people, and then Andy Lau is there. Can you see? Andy Lau. So yeah. Hopefully the food is good. It's hot. I got pesto. She got... Wow. Thanks. It's like pasta and go. Now it's about finding a place to sit or like whilst we eat this. Be right back. Hi. This angle is really bad. Okay. This is better. This is not better. Okay, well I'll just hold it. So after we went to the bell tower. Oh yeah, we went to the bookshop on the water. I don't know why I have an American accent, but I do. And then so after we went to the bookshop, we then went round to like the designer, all the designer bags were. And I went into Celine and I tried my dream bag, the Teen Triumph bag. Fell in love as soon as I saw it, put it on, but it's too expensive, so we'll not be getting that. But yeah, then we're walking back to our hotel, got some iced coffee with pearls, but they're like popping pearls. It tastes good, so. Am I looking like a tourist with my bucket hat? It's fine, I am. We're going back out again. We came back to refresh, chill, and then yeah, get some food in us, and then gonna chill again, ready for another day. Bye! And this is the moment my mum and I decided to get some cocktails. We got a bit too drunk, hence there are no other videos. So, bye!